This category of customer requirements includes things unknown to the customer.
What are delighters?
If you are truly doing Kaizen to a process as intended, these people must be involved.
Who are the people that actually work in the process?
This, one of two major types of Kanban, is depicted here.
What are suppliers?
What is withdrawal or move Kanban?
Kaizen should remove this M word for unnecessary from this G word meaning actual place.
What is remove muda from the Gemba?
The improvement kata is based on the concept of reaching incremental goals called these through daily problem solving.
What are target conditions?
Different from Kaizen's continuous improvement approach, Kaikaku is about this type of improvement.
What is breakthrough?
Mike Rother describes these large and small types of PDCA that are part of the improvement kata.
What are micro and macro PDCA?
According to Kano, there are three categories of features. These are the ones that would dissatisfy a customer if not present.
Basic needs or must-haves. Sorry. What are basic needs or must-haves?
Ono believed that Kanban reduced these two over words.
What are overproduction and overconveyance?
Faster service, lower costs, and other features of a service or product that customers want more of are called this three-letter phrase.
What is more is better?
Thanks. That is our show for today.